send you some kind of text message, or maybe they send themselves to you. A lot of unnecessary emotions, feelings, grudges, curiosity in you. You want to know about someone. Like families, you like traditions, but when they suffocate you, May is amazing for you. Reunion. Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your forecast reading for the month of May. Keep in mind that these readings are journal. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guideline from these readings, and if it's not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, Aries, let's get started. What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aries? And we are having here 8 of Wands, 10 of Cups, the Sun, 10 of Wands. What are the Aries feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Page of Sword, Justice, Star, 2 of Wands. What are the mutual energies? Aries, Queen of Sword, and 10 of Pentacles. These are your cards, Aries, and sign that could relate to your person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 2 of Wands. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Sword, Queen of Sword. Libra with this Justice. Aquarius with this Star card. Leo with this Sun card. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this 10 of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 10 of Pentacles. Your person in this upcoming upcoming first week of May, your person definitely going to, they're thinking about, this is the first card, Aries, in your person's chart. They want to talk to you. They are just seeking some kind of excuse that they can talk to you rapidly, will call you, maybe they send you some kind of text message, or maybe they send themselves to you, because you are the happiness for them, you are brightness for them. They will feel in this month like this is a happiness, brightness in you. They find you like you are happy, and they want to be happy, and you are the happiness. They want to be happy with you. This person with the Sun card, this person totally into you, because the reason, because they see you like you are the perfect partner for them, potential partner for them. They just like feel 10 of Cups towards you, and 10 of Cups is about when someone feel like that you are perfect. And this person's current situation, sometimes they feel like that they are compressed, sometimes they are just carrying a lot of unnecessary burden on their shoulder, carrying the whole weight on their shoulders, and they are keeping a lot of unnecessary emotions, feelings, grudges. Maybe sometimes there is a lot of regrets they are holding. They can drop it. Your person, sometimes they feel like that, a lot of grudges, a lot of unnecessary emotions, guilts. So this person need to drop that. They are under the burden of these guilts, regrets. They should drop that, and they will, because Sun is there and you are their happiness. And for you, their feelings, they can have that completion with you, and they find you are the happiness, and they want to text you, they want to talk to you. This is about passionately when someone want communication or conversation. 8 of Wands. And in your side, you are curious. There is some kind of curiosity in you for someone. There is some kind of you are just, I think, investigating someone, and you are trying to, or maybe two possibilities. You are investigating, your curiosity in you, you want to know about someone, or you get a feel someone is keep talking about you, like out loud. A lot of, the conversations and a lot of the topics and discussion, and that this person is curious towards you, and you are investigating someone. And with the Star card, you are actually, you want a balance in your life, and yes, you are maintaining the balance, and you want justice from this person, and you are totally in fear mood, like you are in a justice mode. You are totally balancing in the scale. Really, you want balance in your life, and you are for, for yourself and for others. Balance, justice, fairness, clarity. And you are, this is a restless card, Aries. When you are frictions there, feelings there, when you are deciding something, when you, sometime you making plans about your life and making plan about your love life and strategies, looking forward towards your goals and your life with this two of wands. And toward this person, maybe you are fear, and you are taking decision here, and you are being fair with this person. If this person is okay, be fair with you, you will be fair with them, and you are actually finding a balance, and you are empath, and your curiosity is there. You are suspicious, someone is suspicious in your eyes, and you are a little bit strict here. You are giving the strict pauses because you can't take that family traditional drama in your life. So that's why, if there is, this person can feel it, you are strict towards them, and you are traditional. You like families, you like traditions, but when they suffocate you, you can't take that, and you are not letting anyone, anything suffocate because of family traditions and unnecessary things. So you are strict, this person can feel it with this Queen of Sword and with this Ten of Pentacles. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. What else we have for Aries in this May? What else we have for Aries? And we are having here Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. Amazing. This person feel like that you are being moody, but in fact, you are not talking about your feelings and your emotions. You are not in mood to talk about feelings, emotion. How do you feel? You are just holding on your cup of love, and you are totally reserve yourself and your emotions and your feelings and emotions. You are full of it. And in this May, we are like, we can see like with this King of Pentacles, you are calculative here, business minded, the provider, the giver. You are total resourceful. You are just mostly your mind is engaged with your work, and your you are so grounded, you are so rooted. There is healthy boundaries around you for this person and for everyone. You are like, you are a part of it, like you are totally rooted, so you're protected. And business, there is a lot of practical things in your mind you want to do, and reunion, reconciliation, there is some kind of sort out problems, will sort out with fairness, with the balance and justice. And when you investigate properly, you will, there is a reunion. It's about anything, maybe for this person, maybe for someone else. It's about a reunion. It's about when you have to, acceptance, when you accept with all of it, with all, with this person's all, like you accept acceptance and reunion. Let's see what else we have for you. What should you avoid, Aries? What should you avoid? Because you are doing great. And we are having here Seven of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Sun. Amazing. As I told you, you are doing great, and it will give you amazing benefits. The Sun as an outcome. May is amazing for you in your love life and the other area of your life. It will give you a lot of happiness. This person, you are little bit, this person feel like that maybe you are pushing them away, but you are just standing up by yourself. You are being fair, you are being balanced. And with this Wheel of Fortune, sometimes you feel like that it's really fast forward, everything is just ups and down, but it will give you benefit, everything turn into your favor. It is amazing cards. May is blessed and full of abundance for you with the Sun card. This person, this person get a feel like happiness in you, success in you, and yes, there is success for you in every matter. Everything is gonna be smooth, fine in this May. Amazing. Okay, let's see, Aries. What else we have for you? What's your angel want to tell us in this reading? What do you desire right now? Visualize it and it will come about. Negative will block your progress. Amazing. Don't be negative. Sometime when you are not discussing about your feelings and emotions, and just keeping it to yourself, sometime it happens like a little bit of negativity, but you need to avoid that negativity. Amazing. This is another encouraging message for you. May is blessed and amazing for you, Aries. Let's see what advice messages. No need to fix, need to accept. Give yourself space. Pray. Stop listening sad music. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person want to talk to you because you are the completion of love and family, and they find you like you are happy. And sometimes this person is holding a lot of unnecessary things they need to drop. It could be anything, maybe their regrets, guilt, etc. And you are suspicious towards someone, curiosity there, you are investigating and you are being fair, and you are deciding and making plan about your life, and your May is blessed and amazing for you, Aries, full of abundance, full of success, happiness, and brightness. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you, Aries. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.